What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a laptop that you guys can't buy in India. It's an Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. But why we can't buy it in India, you'll have to wait for the end of the video for that. So let's open it up. And the final classic Apple feels what you get. And here's our laptop. A MacBook Pro 16-inch. Specifications, I'll tell you later. Then you have the normal documentations. Big Apple stickers. This one's silver. I don't have any silver ones. The ones I have are like usually white in color. So this is something different. And then we have the power brick. This is a 100-watt now. The Pro 16-inch has the maximum battery a laptop can have and can be carried in an American Airlines. It's a 100-watt battery and this is like a 96-watt charger and it's pretty good. And this is the USB-C cable. Sadly, the MacBook Pro 16-inch and the 15.6-inch, all the new MacBook Pros don't have the normal ports and work on the USB-C ports, and that is a bummer honestly, because you have to buy a USB-C hub to use everything you got. So coming to the specifications, this MacBook Pro, let's open this thing up first. Let's open this. It's closer to my mic so you can hear how it opens up. Here it is. I'm gonna open it up like that. So opened, and this paper you have. Let's turn it up. Yes, it's visible. Yes, there it goes. It turns on like automatically. And the specifications. Coming to the point when I said why you can't buy this laptop in India. Apple doesn't provide customized specifications in India. You get the base model or the top model, whatever they are offering in the country, and you can't customize it according to your needs. But this thing comes with some customized specifications. Okay.
Press the return key.
I'm gonna just enter. Set this up, I guess. English. And then we got India. Okay. Done. I'm gonna just skip. Sure, don't want to set up. No, I don't want to set up. Okay, let's close this and talk about the specifications. This thing comes with the maximum processor Apple puts in. It is imported from Canada. It has an i9 processor with 8 cores, 64 gigs of RAM and 2 TB SSD inside of it. It is a powerhouse basically. It is basically meant for video editing purposes. This video will be edited most probably on this particular machine because till now I was using a MacBook Air and believe me, that thing doesn't work when you're video editing. It doesn't. So there's that. And this thing can handle around 5 or 4 8K streams simultaneously, as it was shown by Apple. I don't remember the particular number, but it is pretty powerful, really powerful. And let's hope how it goes. Let's see how it goes, right? So this was the unboxing experience. Wait for the review of the unit. It will be coming soon after this video. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep supporting. Hit the subscribe button downside if you like the video, and like the video if you like it, obviously. And you can follow us on other channels, other social media handles at tech.gizmosity on Instagram, Gizmosity on Facebook, and every other platform you just search for Gizmosity, you'll find us. We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook, we are on Snapchat, and there's that.